ASSOCHAM Voice Podcast. Our guest today is Saurabh Sanyal, Secretary General of ASSOCHAM. With more than 4 decades of leadership experience spanning Indian Army, industry, and policy advocacy, he is helping shape the dialogue between government and business.
I would position India as one of the manufacturing factories in the times to come. Say by 2030 or by 2035, we would be the largest country in the world which will be into manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, manufacturing of defense equipment, manufacturing of emerging technologies, manufacturing of chips. All these emerging technologies and deep tech which has come into the defense sector is basically because of the startups. We have a huge ecosystem of startups. Almost 2.23 lakh startups are there who are generating almost 25 lakh jobs, and mostly they are into the technology domain and in deep tech.